Okay, right, so it's next day. I've cleaned up this as best as possible. So, the passenger side is now stripped down. I'm just going to try and clean up the radius arm and remove the bushes from the arm. But what I'm going to do is get outside in a bit and use the wire brush on the grinder to clean that up. But for now, I'm going to tidy this little mess up. I'm going to bag everything up that's passenger side, bag everything that's driver side, and then I'll have 2 bags ready so that when the stuff gets put back together, I can put it all back in the right places. So today I'm going to strip down the other side, and then both bits are going to go off and be prepped for paint and etc. So whether I do it, whether the owner does it, whether someone else does it, today we're going to get to the position where that can be done. So I'm just going to do a time lapse for the next section because I don't need to go through and explain anything again. But as always, if you have any questions, please comment down below and I'm happy to answer anything you like. So let's get cracking.
I know you don't love me like you say you do.
This is the hub, and this line here is where it's rubbing on the bottom spring on the brake shoe. So the hub has been rotating, rubbing on here, because this spring is upside down, so that needs to go closer to the handbrake adjuster, and that wouldn't happen. Doesn't seem to be any damage on the spring, so that's good. It just means that when I put it back together, I'll make sure it goes the right way. That's the brass bush out. Let's undo that, move on to the roller. Time to get this outside, give it a quick blast. Bit of good news, the arms are all now stripped up completely, and the owner of the car has said that they can take the stuff to work and do the strip down, paint, etc. at work. So my job here is temporarily done. Once it's all painted, I'm going to start building them back up. So we'll leave this video here. Thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed the content, please hit the thumbs up button. Comment down below, and if you can, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future content. That's it from me for now. I'll see you next time.